In this tutorial we are going to learn how to activate Data Analysis Tool Pack in Excel. Data Analysis Tool Pack helps us in many different ways. If you want to perform a regression analysis, if you want to perform correlation analysis or hypothesis testing, t-statistic, f-statistic, ANOVA table, covariance matrix and basic summary statistics, each single thing can be performed by just single click. So Data Analysis Tool Pack is very helpful. Question is how to activate it. In order to see whether it is already in active form or it is inactive, go to Data tab, click here, and here on the top right corner of this Data tab you should see Data Analysis Tool Pack button or Data Analysis button. So currently we don't see any Data Analysis button, so it means this Data Analysis Tool Pack is currently inactive. So how to activate it? Go to the File menu, and here at the end we see Options. Click here, and here in the Excel Options dialog box, click on this Add-ins tab, and now we see Active Applications Add-ins and Inactive Applications Add-ins. In the Inactive Applications Add-ins we see this Analysis Tool Pack. Please note that we also see Analysis Tool Pack -VBA. We don't need this. If Analysis Tool Pack is already active, then it should appear in the Active Applications Add-in list. In our case, it is being shown in the Inactive Applications Add-in, so it means it is currently inactive. So how to activate it? Simply click on this Go button at the end. Once you click on Go button, now in this new dialog box Add-ins, you see this first option, Analysis Tool Pack. Check this box and ignore this VBA option. Click on OK button. So now here in the Data tab we see this Data Analysis. Click on this Data Analysis button. So here is Data Analysis Tool Pack. You can see there are a number of tools that are available: moving average, histogram, Fourier analysis, f-test, 2 sample of variance, exponential smoothing, correlation, covariance, and number of additional options. So this is how we can activate Data Analysis Tool Pack.